YouTube family. This is the same project going on, the house at Dodo community that we are following. So almost coming to the end of it, almost coming to the conclusion of this house, this project. So you can see the front face of it, the pavilion, the second gate and the first gate. So follow me at the other side of the fence so you can get through it before we get in. So please, by watching, don't forget to view it, to comment, to like or subscribe. Thank you for watching. In case you are just tuning into this channel, it has been a long while. This project is going on at the Dodo community Goderich. There are other projects going on in this vicinity which you can view. You can see it. So but this is the side of it. You can see the side of it. This is the other side of the fence, and this is the front of this project. The front of this house. You can see the front. And over there that you just see is the pavilion side, is the gate side of it. So this is the front side. You can see the pavilion. So follow me inside. As I said, there are other community and other projects going on in this community. So follow me inside. This is the first gate of this project. So you can see how far it has gone. Those are the tanks that will supply the 3 floor. We have planted a tree. This one, you can see them. So when they grow up here, it will look very beautiful, so that the viewers cannot just stand there and see throughout during the compound. So take a look at the second floor. This is the second floor of the building. This is the second floor. So work is stand still for now because we are on holiday, the Easter holiday. All the workers have gone for work. For holiday for now. So all work is standing still. So this is the second floor of this pavilion. I said this is the first floor there, or the upper last floor. Anyway, so you see, that's it. Whose sum of money has get into this project? Time, many things. As you can see how it is. So there are flowers which we plant here to give fresh air and a conducive atmosphere, because this is the swimming pool in the making. This is the swimming pool in the making. So as I say, you can see that's the schema there that will help the water when bouncing, when somebody is washing or bouncing the water, what we assist the water to get in back, or trash to gather some trash that will be in the water. So all this, you can see the shifter there, the floor drain. Then this, we are preparing it for the dialects. This dialect has to go there again. This is how all the pipe has to get through. The pipe that will support the water for the swimming pool have to be here. They have to plant it here. The plumber has to do it here. Then other pipes that will get out, run out of this water will run through out of the gate, will still pass through this place. So this is sketch is built, but just let me say sketch for now until the pipes are all packed, fixed, so that they can get their way out. Then they can build it. This has to have cover. It has to have a cover that will float onto it, this one. So when the water comes, it will have its own way, then this one will just ride this way. But you will see it as time goes on, because I will not explain it better until the work has been done. So far